Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about basic Unix commands. So we'll start with basic things like we'll start with file operations and how to create a file and how to modify a file and how we can remove file and those kind of basic operations on files and directories will start off with. Okay, let's start. So we can practice basic Unix commands online. So this is the link which is I'm using currently. This is the tutorials point. I'll share this link in the video description. You can open this link and you can also practice. So let's start. I mean, how we can create a file. So let's start with the simple thing. So we have multiple ways to create a file in Unix. So let's start with basic things. So we have vi editor. Vi editor is the one where you can write your own content and you can save it. So if you the syntax for this is vi and the file name. So just give vi space in the file name and hit enter. So it'll open an empty file. It'll open an editor where you can write your contents and then you can save your file. So the other way to create the file is we have cat command which we can use to create a file. In cat give cat and this redirect option and give the file name. So and then hit enter. So you can write your own content. This with this option you can directly write your content on the console, and to save the file you can simply do control C or control D. So that will save the content to file name. So instead of opening vi editor we can simply use this cat greater than symbol and the file name and hit enter. And we also have another command to create files, that is touch command. This also we can use to create a file. Simple touch command. So if you give touch and then give the file name, it will create an empty file. So syntax for this is touch and the file name. I will explain you this command practically. I mean, I'll show you how it will work and all. So I'll show you. So touch and give the file name, so it will create an empty file. So this is another way to create file. And we have another simple way to create files in Unix. So we can simply use this greater than symbol to redirect any out. Call this as a redirect option. So let's say, I mean, if you're running a command like let's say you're doing ls minus lrt and you want to save this content into your file, so you can simply do greater than symbol and the file name. So what it will do is ls minus lrt, the output of this command will be redirected to this file name. The content of this, the output of this one will be saved to this one. So yeah, these are easiest ways you can create files in Unix. So first one is vi editor we can use to create file. The syntax for this is vi and space and file name and hit enter. And the second way we can create file is with cat command and cat and give the redirect option and the file name. So this way also we can create these files. And we have another way, that is touch command. So give simple touch and the file name. So this way we can create a file, an empty file we can create. And we have another way, that is redirect operation. With this also we can redirect output of any command to a file. So simple thing. So ls minus lrt, the output of this command will be redirected to file name. So these are basic things on how we can create files in Unix. So I've shown I mean frequently used ways, and there can be other ways also to create files and all. Yeah. Now we will discuss about how we can create a directory. Pwd is a command we can use to get the present working directory. So I am trying to create a directory now. So we have a command called mkdir. We can use this command to create a directory in Unix. So I'm trying to create a directory with the name test. So I'll run this command. I'll show you the output. On the right hand side you can see the output of these commands. So initially we had only one file with main.sh name, and after that I ran this mkdir command. So now we have this test directory got created. So the D at the starting of this will indicate that it's a directory. Now we will see how we can remove this directory, and we have a command in Unix to remove this directory, that is rmdir. We can use this command to remove any directory. So I'm trying to remove this test directory. So see the output. Test directory got removed. Initially we created this test directory and we did ls-lrt to see this directory, and we used this rmdir command to remove this test directory. Now it is no more. So it got deleted. So in Unix, to create directory we can use mkdir, and to remove directory we can use rmdir. These two commands. Now we will see how we can remove a file in Unix. I am trying to create a file with file1 name. See on the right hand side we can see file1 got created with size 0. Now I'll remove this file. So we have command rm is a command to remove file, rm file1, and I'll do ls-lrt just to confirm whether that file is removed or not. So this file got removed. So what I did is, first I created a file1 and I removed file1 with rm command. See, this file got deleted. Rm is a command to remove any file. So yeah, to summarize, these are the commands. mkdir is to create a directory, and rmdir is to remove a directory, and rm is a command to remove any file. And we also have rm-fr. So this is the command we can use to remove a file or a directory. I'll tell about these options. -fr, -f means force, r means recursively. So it will recursively delete the files within the directory and also the subdirectories. So this is the command we can use. Instead of going with rmdir or rm, we can directly use this rm-fr. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please share, like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.